Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Huntsville, Alabama. We got a beautiful sunshiny day and a really good one here to show you. It is a 2026 Venture Sporttrek Stinger Lite, model number 181VRK. So let's get started. The length on this Stinger Lite is 23 feet 2 inches. The dry weight is 4,070 pounds with a hitch weight of 410. GVWR, 4,700 pounds. All right.
Yes, ma'am. So if you guys are looking for something that is very lightweight, now I don't know the capacities on the smaller trucks like the Ford Rangers and something like that. Check your numbers because you might almost be able to tow this with a smaller truck or a nice size SUV.
And of course, we've been showing the Stingers with the dual axle, so this is the Stinger Lite with a single axle.
Right, this one is considered a light version. Again, this is something fairly new for Venture and the Sporttrek line. This is going to give you a power tongue jack up here.
Single bottle.
Propane's going to go right there. Give you a nice little soft cover to cover it up. Your battery will mount right back there. These are going to have manual stabilizers on them. And your pass-through storage here. I do like the way that they finish these out. So even on their smaller, lighter versions, they're all nice and finished out. Your docking station is going to be out here and it will lock. You've got a dump station right there, super easy to get to. And then this is going to give you a single cable-driven slide. These are going to be an exact slide, so if you guys are keeping up with that, those are the better version of cable-driven slides. You will see that this is going to be over the axle. That does make a difference. We'll point that out on the inside. Like we stated, this is a single axle, so it's going to be lighter weight. And then you're going to have another dump area back here. It is kind of under this slide, so it's going to make it a little harder to get to, so just to hook everything up before you get there.
Tankless water heater.
It is right there. Looking at the back of this little Stinger, you're going to have your spare back here. You do have a ladder to get on your roof, and it is also going to be prepped for a backup camera.
PVC roof.
PVC roof. I kind of think that's a thing that KZ does.
Yeah.
I think pretty much on their entire line. Awning on this one is, we don't know. We'll find out.
My goodness, did you not know?
You took my notes. You are going to be able to add a TV out here if you want to. This is your exterior antenna.
14 feet.
14 feet. See, now was that so difficult?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
It sure wasn't.
And here is going to be the other side of your pass-through storage. You see that you do have a light and your exterior lights, and it is going to be prepped for tire link.
You're going to pay for my lunch, so I'm going to be nice to you.
Of course we are. We're probably going to find a Buc-ee's here in a little bit because Buc-ee's is amazing.
And something else, I don't know if you mentioned Asdale siding.
This does have Asdale sliding.
That is cool.
Siding.
Siding. Sidewalls.
Yes.
Something like that.
And in case you guys did not know from any of our previous videos on Venture, their parent company is KZ, and we can attest.
We didn't get Asdale siding on ours.
No, we didn't. Ours actually is a little bit older than that, but that's okay. We love it anyway.
It's all right. Hey, this is a cool little floor plan right here now.
This is a really nice floor plan. So if for a couples camper, or even a solo camper, you know, it's got really great space in here.
I love this little catch-all right here.
Yeah, this is just as you come in the door. So you have some cabinets right here. You can use this as your pantry, or stash your wallet, your purse, things as you come in.
And your slide-out control is right there in that cabinet.
Right there.
That is cool.
You got even a little space right down here to kick your shoes off, and your fuses are going to be there. You know, so hey, even if the slide is in, you can get to your fuses.
I like this.
There is a plug-in right up there in the corner. Now let me turn around and show you guys. So I guess technically you're going to call this a rear kitchen. Your controls are back there as you come in the door. You're going to have storage across the top.
Yes.
And maintenance schedule over there. Of course,
I'm missing something. Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah, we have a light. And of course there is
you do have a plug-in under here. I don't know if some of our, like our Keurig coffee maker, will it fit?
I think our cord's long enough for that.
I don't know.
Yeah, most coffee makers should be able to work.
Oh,
now this is super nice right here. So you have all of these drawers, and I love that they're hidden behind a cabinet. Your sink here. Now, not going to have solid surface in this, but it does help keep your weight down and also kind of keep your price point down a little bit. Some really nice storage underneath the sink. A round sink with a pull-down sprayer faucet. That doesn't really fit in a round.
That's what I was just going by. I'm like, okay, why did they give you that when it won't even fit in here?
It's the thought that counts.
Okay.
So, you have a super nice window back here. And guys, this is some really, really good counter space.
This is really good counter
Now,
space.
with this being a smaller unit, of course, you're not going to get your oven, but you do have a 2-burner cooktop here. And then there's some more storage there, and that is going to be your furnace right down there below. Microwave up here in the corner. And Venture is always going to give you a cutting board, which is just super nice.
And I like it. They give you somewhere to hang it.
And they give you somewhere to hang it, exactly. You don't have to worry about storing it somewhere. Now, here in your slide, let me get on the other side. You are going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge here. And also in the slide is going to be your dinette. Now, we pointed out on the outside that this is above the axle, which means you're going to have a little bit of a step up getting into it. It's not a very big step up, so it's still fairly easy to get into. Storage under both sides, and of course, like all dinettes, this will make additional sleeping if you need it to. Really nice window out here, so you can sit, eat your breakfast, drink your coffee, and be able to see what all's going on.
And blackout shades.
Yes, blackout shades. You do have power right here, and then they give you this sweet little cubby that's right behind your refrigerator. Great place for your phone or tablets while they're charging.
Just check out the bedroom?
Yeah, because you were going to see that this is open. This is going to be open. I'll go ahead and point out the AC in this one. Now, this one is not going to be ducted. This is going to be a direct dump just because it's all open.
Yeah.
It's going to be super easy. This is going to give you a Camp Queen. Pretty sure this is a Camp Queen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Camp Queen. You could probably get a regular queen in here, but it is going to take up some of your walk around space.
Yeah, it is.
So just keep that in mind. Now, you have got a hanging area, and then you've got storage across the top up here. So that's going to be on both sides. Then up here, you're going to have cubbies on both sides for phones or CPAP. Now, this side has got power, and then this side is going to have USB. Now, something that we did notice, there's only one place in here that's going to be prepped for a TV, and it is back here. So depending on what type of mount you get, if you get one that swivels way out, you might be able to see it from your dining area. But this is the only place that is prepped for a TV. So.
Yeah, we kind of noticed that right off the bat.
Yeah. Again, another shot of that AC unit, so you see that it is going to blow right into the bedroom. That's going to be wonderful.
That will be wonderful.
Yeah.
All right. Now this kind of surprised you.
This one kind of did. Now, a lot of times in these smaller units, you get itty bitty bathrooms, and now you're not gonna have ballroom dances in here, but you've got a
30 by 36.
Yeah, 30 by 36 shower with a skylight.
I had the time of my
You
life.
have got to quit watching Dirty Dancing.
Okay.
I'm just saying. It is going to give you shower curtain in here. Now you see it does have a little bit of a step up, but it's not bad. Mirrored medicine cabinet, and that's above a really nice size sink. You can have some storage underneath it. Then you do have a ledge here, plenty of place right there to put a little waste basket. porcelain foot flush toilet, which is very surprising in these smaller units. Plug-ins, nightlight.
Power.
Yes, and you do have a fan in there.
Yeah.
So, oh, and if I didn't point it out, you also have a wireless Bluetooth speaker.
This is not a bad little bathroom.
It is not. This is actually a really nice, really nice layout, especially for a smaller couples camper.
All right, everybody, if you like this little Stinger Lite, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, give us that thumbs up, and also 20% off Liquefied. Check all that information out down in the description of this video. Thanks, everybody.
Now, because this is above the axle,
Stop it.